Welcome back to the channel. We're here today with my Harbor Freight rolling shop seat, which you might be able to tell from the carpet, I don't actually use in the shop. And we're going to talk about it because it has been recalled. I will find the recall and link it below, but I will just read you the high notes as it is right now. This recall is being conducted because in certain units, the connection between the seat and the seat post can break, posing a fall hazard to users. So in other words, this guy could break right off of that guy and just pop you right in the pooper. Give you a little assault with a friendly weapon. And I don't think anybody really wants that. So they're telling you if you have an affected item number, which this one is, and those item numbers are as such, that you should take yours to the store and have it changed out. Well, as I said, we're not in the shop. I don't actually sit on mine. This guy is actually a footstool that I use here at my computer desk. And the reason for that once you move up to a $130 shop seat from a $30 shop seat, you just can't go back. I'll link this guy in the description, but just one of many upgrades are the wheels are about 5 or 6 inches taller in diameter, so it actually like rolls over things, like, cardboard. It'll roll over cords, all that kind of stuff. These seats are not perfect, but they're about as good as it gets. So for that reason, I'm probably not going to worry about mine. But I believe what they're telling you in way less words is that these tack welds right here that hold the hub onto the sheet metal for the actual seat crack and break off. So despite my jest, I don't think you would actually take a friend somewhere you don't want to take a friend. I think that you just fall off your stool. But if you are in a situation like I am, where 1, you just don't care because you're using your stool for something else anyway, or 2, you're like 4 hours from a Harbor Freight store and you don't want to worry about it, I would say just touch that up with some weld and you'll probably have a better stool than the Harbor Freight replacement they would give you. But that is of course just my opinion. They don't voluntarily put these things out usually, so somebody has probably gotten pretty badly hurt with these stools, so you should probably take yours in and get it taken care of. So that is my PSA for today. Harbor Freight recall issued, Harbor Freight recall advertised. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping in for this video. We will catch you on the next one. I'm Max, that's Saddington Bear, and we make videos like this all the time. Here are a couple links to some other videos we've made, and we really appreciate you guys stopping in.